Hello, welcome back to Dadskillz. Today is a very quick video and we're going to be having a look at these things. These little sort of things that you plug into sockets and they're sold to protect kids, I suppose, little kids, little toddlers, and we're going to have a look whether they are worth it or not. And a quick spoiler alert, they're not worth it. But stick with me and I will tell you exactly why.
Dadskillz.
Right, okay. Socket safety covers. Let's take one out and have a look. So you're going to have little kids, or you've got little kids already, toddlers, they're just starting to walk about and shuffle about, and they're getting their hands on everything. And so you have a look at these things and you think they're a good idea. And on the face of it, they do seem like a good idea. But let's take a look at a UK socket. So what you can see about the sockets are there's shutters inside, look. There's shutters in there. And you physically can't get a very small finger, no matter how small it is, into either one of those. That would be nigh on impossible. And so to open these shutters up, you need what would be on a normal plug. This one here would be the earth prong, and that would go in here. And you see they're all longer. The earth prongs on every socket, every plug, sorry, is longer. And that's so. It goes in first and it opens that shutter. There we go, look. And then you can see the electrical contacts in there. So you need a long earth prong, goes in there, opens that up, and then the smaller ones can follow. So you'd have to have a pretty determined child who was fully conversant in British standards and European norms to first poke something in here, then go and get something metal that they could stick in one of these, knowing which one the live was, and then touch it and then get electrocuted. And so the reality of that is slim, if non-existent. So let me show you a plug, a standard plug. We'll have a look at that too. Right, okay. Standard British plug, BS1363/A. There we go. Now what do you notice about this? So again, the earth prong is longest to open up those shutters. And then these terminals here, the live and the neutral, they're plastic sleeved up to there. So even if it's hanging halfway out and your child, let's say it's turned on, your child gets a finger behind them, all they're going to touch is earth, which is no problem. Possibly, you can't even get your finger in there, you can just about get the screwdriver in there. And these live and neutral, well, they're plastic sheathed anyway, so that's not going to shock them. And by the time they pull it out far enough to get a finger in there, well, the earth has come out, and if you can hear, the shutters are closed. And if you notice, as I push this in and out, listen, shutters fully open, and you see the shutters are fully open, but I can't touch anything metal, live and neutral wise, because they're plastic sheathed. So, just to sum up then, these things, so you can't even get it in. See, the early models of these, the earth was so long it used to break sockets, and so it was actually far more detriment than it was positive. So let's just try and push it in. So not only is it incredibly hard to get in, but it'll probably be incredibly hard to get out as well. So this lot I think I got off Amazon, $2.99. But it's $2.99 you don't need to spend, because the British socket is ingenious. It's a brilliant piece of engineering, really. And it's a standard across the board. Every British socket will be like this, unless you've got something really old, which is quite rare these days. So yeah. So save your money. You don't need these.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.